So I'm going to show you how to do a slip stitch. This is like a half of a single crochet. I like to use it when I want to ramp. See how the edge of a single crochet makes like a little step up from the edge of your crochet? I like to use a slip stitch anytime I want to ramp that down. So instead of having a step, I have a little gradual ramp. So I use it before I fasten off, and I use it anytime I change colors so that the color change isn't such an abrupt change. So first I'm going to show you how to do, just as a reminder, how to do a basic single crochet. So for single crochet, you put the hook in. I like to stitch through the back loop. You grab your yarn and you pull it just through that first loop. You should have 2 loops on the hook. Then you wrap it around again and you pull it through. That is a single crochet. Now for a slip stitch, you're only going to do 1 step. You go through the back loop just like you would if you were starting a single crochet. You pull it through just like single crochet, but now instead of wrapping again, you just keep pulling that loop all the way through the end. And that is a slip stitch. And see how it gives you like a little ramp? You've lost that step up in there.